Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to upgrade to Windows 11 and if you are receiving this error which says VirtualBox, your PC requires the latest version of this app. So when you're using media creation tool to upgrade to Windows 11 and you're receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to uninstall VirtualBox using revo uninstaller. So copy this link, the link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. On this website you can download the free trial version, so it will not cost you any money. So download the free trial, run this exe file, then open revo uninstaller and then find VirtualBox in the list. So here it is, select it, then click on uninstall, continue, and let the process complete. First of all, it will create a restore point and then it will uninstall. Now click on next, select remove. Now once done, click on finish and then scan. Click on scan over here. Now once done, click on select all and then click on delete. Click on yes and now restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to upgrade to Windows 11. Now the next step is to uninstall Android Emulator or the DM player if it is installed on your computer. So sometimes if these two applications are installed on your computer, this also causes the problem. Now in future, if you want VirtualBox after upgrading to Windows 11, you can install VirtualBox if you want. Similarly, when you uninstall your Android emulator or DM player, once your computer is updated to Windows 11, then you can install this software once again. So in my case, this blue stack, so you can go ahead and uninstall if this is installed on your computer. Again select it, then click on uninstall, continue. Now click on uninstall and let the uninstallation complete. Now click on scan. Now once done, again click on select all, then click on delete, yes. Again select all, delete, yes. Once done, now restart your computer and then try to upgrade to Windows 11 and you should not receive this error message. Now the last step is to go to C drive, so open File Explorer, then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Program Files, and then in the search box on the top right here you can see the search box. In the search box type in virtual, that is virtual, type in virtual and then click on this arrow. Now over here you have to go ahead and delete all the files and folder related to VirtualBox. So if you find any files and folder which is named VirtualBox, make a right click and then click on delete. So delete all the files and folder related to VirtualBox and then restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to install Windows 11. So one of the steps should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.